Boys, how you been? How you been? Check this out. Check this thing out. That's a good cardboard right there. I'll just set that aside here quick. Oh, well, what do we have here, boys? Grab it by there and there, maybe. Nice. Pretty good box right there, boys. Get a good glimpse at my box collection later, maybe. But looks like it's got a key even. Holy schmancy. Oh yeah, look at the packaging on this guy, boys. It's got the proprietary plug. I got lots of pictures, so for weekend and not too many words. Oh, there's lots of words too, but oh yeah, tons and tons of words. Oh dear. Oh, it's a little screen Berlini. Looks like that plugs into there like that. Like that. Nice. Screen Berlini installed. Looks like we got our cables and accessories. Looks like this might be some type of this is a air pump. Yeah, probably like foofs. Probably foofs where the laser gets so it doesn't really chooch maybe. I don't know. Nice. Look at the packaging, boys. Robust. I've seen on a movie that you can take the bottom of this out and set the whole unit right on something and burn something right into it. But we're gonna have to get into some type of the instruction manual on this guy here, boys. I mean, I got the little one over there, and I mean that's basically all I could do with my whole entire appliance. So, but who knows? Maybe maybe they intercommingle. Who knows? So listen, boys. The official launch is August 5th. So if you're into friggin' like 20 watt, what is it, a 20 watt laser or something like that? 20 watt laser, August 5th and 6th, get 40% off. August 6th to 8th, get 30% off. August 8th through 18th, get 20% off. So, I mean, I would try to get rid of the 5th, 6th moves myself if I didn't already have one for my own self. So in the meantime, you guys can check out the links in the prescription, and I'll figure this thing out a little bit, and then we'll be able to scorch some stuff. I come with a piece of wood, and I've seen guys cutting like thin plywoods with it, so we should be able to make something awesome out of it anyways. But it's the pewter part. It's the pewter part where we're gonna have the difficulties on my end. But you're probably way smarter than me in the appliance, so. Oh, I'm not trying to promise you anything, but we got this son of a bitch linked into my telephone here, so we'll try to be honest with you. You know, this is the first. I don't want to miss anything, right? I don't want to do it and then not be able to do it, and something happens and then I'm dicked. But this thing, check. So it's got a camera in there. So I've got a piece of wood in there. That's my piece of wood right there. Oh, where are you going? Careful. Careful. But anyways, that's my piece of wood in there. So there's a camera. I'll show you right on the lid. There's a camera right there. So it cameratizes your piece so you can like line it up right where you want it. So I got Inwood Customs stuck on there. So that's what we're going to attempt to do right now. That's going to be my good Inwood Customs chunk of wood. Right there, that one. Just auto-focusing there, no big deal. Then we start the framing. So you can stop the framing process. So now it's sort of circulated where, careful you guys. It's sort of circulated where we're going to be cutting. So then processing. We got something happening over here too. Engrave button on the machine while processing. Confirm. Start processing. Oh shit, where are you going? Oh, we're carving into a hunk of wood right now, boys. This is pretty awesome. I looked it up. This unit right now is on sale for like under $1,000. So you get all type of discounts and codes and whatnot. Of course, I'm going to be fogging myself out. I don't have this hooked up to nothing. I just got it draining out there where sort of everybody's shirt's going to smell like campfire this week. Sorry, boys. Get yours now, onepluglife.com. Check that out. I don't know if I can. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at the shot, boys. So, I mean, I figured this out all on my own. It took a minute, don't get me wrong. I was doing other stuff today, too, but... And, of course, this is the first time, and I'm just trying it out on an old hunk of plywood. So, we might not be, full Monty. We might need to go a little bit slower. We might need to turn the polarity up a little bit. I can already smell the campfire, so that's good. One thing we should do is turn the auxiliary fan on. I don't want to suck all my air conditioning out, though. That's the problem. She's hot. She's friggin' hot, boys. But this is friggin' awesome. You know, you can do bigger stuff on this guy here. I got the smaller one yonder, but you can do the bigger stuff here. Pretty sweet. I liked how you can see like the inner workings, right? Like the belt chooching, eh? The belt chooching away. I want to open the door and show you, but it'll just shut off. Doesn't want to get your eye sockets too good, you know what I mean? Careful, so that's pretty cool. It's got the old screen Berlini, you can see what you're doing, you can line up the guy. That's the problem I was having with the other one. I never did make a video about it because I couldn't figure it out. Every single time I put something in it, it chooched it in a different spot. I tried to do the same thing like this one, where I just made like a template, and then I can just put it in the same spot every time, right? But the other one, it didn't do that. There was no doing that. But friggin' rights, boys. Place is just trash. Excuse the friggin' mess. We're friggin' trying to set up different stuff in here, and we don't got a lot of room. Hey, we're doing shirt operation stuff, and now we're doing laser engraving. Wow. It is asphyxiatory valve wide open in here, boys. Oh my goodness. And this thing will cut too. This is a 20-watt laser, eh? The newer one, the Falcon 2, is 40 watts. So it'll probably like cut steel. I don't know, but I'm just imagining, you know what I mean? Sometimes I like to imagine stuff. But friggin' rights, if you needed your name carved into a hunk of wood, this is the unit to do it right here, boys. Nice. Friggin' awesome. I'm so sure that we did that all by myself, you guys. Wow. I did that, you guys. I'm trying to get them to give one away. I haven't gotten an answer yet. They're asking me what my rate is. I says my rate is a free one for my viewers. Eh? Just laser engraving stuff. No big deal, you guys. It didn't look like it was chooching. It just looked like it was scratching the surface, but that's like in the wood. I don't know if you can like actually make it out. But that's into the wood, and that I can't remember. It was only like 30% or something. I was going to turn it up to like a whole bunch of percents, but yeah, for experimental test run, that's not too bad. Fucking factory settings, this, that, and the other thing, and plus friggin', you know what I mean? How you doing? You know what I mean? How you like them apples? I'm sure, smarter dicks than me can do all type of crazy stuff with this type of stuff, you know what I mean? When you got the appliance to not click the wrong stuff every single time, it probably helps. But anyways, boys, much appreciated for all the support. I'm trying to get giveaways for all you guys because you guys have been sticking around for so many years on my channel, and it's so awesome, you guys. But yeah, hopefully we can get them to send you something, even if it's not this particular unit. You know what I mean? We'll get some sort of giveaway. Hashtag Falcon something or something. You know what I mean? Creality Falcon or something. I don't know. We'll put it in the prescription. But anyways, boys, big thanks, and check out the sweet deals on their website there. I think there's fucking all type of percents off and shit. It's pretty awesome. But anyways, boys, let's do big hoots of campfire. Eh? I apologize.